Hello Facebook users. Sometimes you want to share your thoughts without revealing your identity. In this guide, I'll show you how to comment anonymously on your own posts. Note, actions like this comment can only be used with your own posts posted anonymously. As for other people's posts, you won't be able to do it anonymously. Step 1, use Facebook. Step 2, access any group, be a member of a certain group before you can interact with activities in that group. Step 3, find the post you want to edit and comment anonymously, scroll down to find the comments section and tap on it, then you develop your own thoughts and intentions by entering language into it. You can also add a few icons and a few images to make your comment more interesting. If you need to find a way to post anonymously, you can refer to this video on our channel that has posted on how to post anonymously on groups. Finally, just select Send. Note, everyone who comments on your post, you can see who commented and other people cannot comment anonymously on your post. Facebook also did a pretty good job here, that is, if people let people comment anonymously on other people's posts, I'm not sure that the owner of the post will have a big headache or the reader will be quite annoyed. With bad words displayed in the comments section with anonymous individuals. If you feel the same as us, please help us with one like, one share, one comment, and don't forget to subscribe so we have more motivation to make more videos. Thanks for watching.